Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. Today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 1, number 40, which reads, which choice most closely captures the meaning of the figurative sixpence, referred to in line 70 to 71? So we know it's figurative. We know that it's not going to be a straightforward answer. So let's go to the passage. And when you go to the passage, what you're going to see is that if you just read the sentence, which again, you should get some context, it reads, it was thus that they won the right to our brand new sixpence. So when it says it was thus, what should you read? You should read before it. So remember, context, read before and after. And what we get before it is, as you know from your own experience, and there are facts to prove it, that the daughters of educated men have always done their thinking from hand to mouth, not under the green lamps at study tables in the cloisters of secluded colleges. They have thought while they stirred the pot, while they have rocked the cradle. So it looks like what her point is Virginia Woolf, is that men go away to college and they study. And during this time, 1938, women, if they wanted to break into the workforce, which is basically what this passage is about, they had to do it while they fulfilled their traditional female roles. That's what's being stated before. And then if we read a little bit after, it goes to us now to go on thinking, how are we to spend that sixpence? So when we go to the answer choices here, could it be tolerance? It's not going to be tolerance because it's talking about they won the right. We know that this is something positive. So that's not it. Could it be knowledge? Now, it is talking about them, men studying under the, at secluded colleges. So it does sound like knowledge. Knowledge is probably the most common wrong answer. Why is it not knowledge? Because taken in the context of the passage as a whole, what is the point of studying or thinking while you stir the pot, while you rock the cradle? It's to break into that workforce, which is talked about throughout the rest of the passage and before it. So the correct answer here is opportunity. They have the opportunity to go break into that workforce. And remember, like a vocabulary and context question, you could read with each of these answer choices in place of the original word. If we did that with perspective, it was thus that they won the right to our brand new perspective, which doesn't really quite fit. So just a perspective isn't going to change anything. She's talking about changing things, and there's a sense of urgency throughout this passage. You have no time to think, and she uses phrases like that throughout. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these abstract type reading questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.